The thing is, the role of dietitian has changed in last 10 years. The role of dietitian was to provide the food as per the disease actually. Liver dysfunction, kidney dysfunction, diabetes, bronchial asthma. अभी क्या हो गया? डाइटिशियन का एक ही काम है, वेट लॉस. इट्स कमर्शलाइज्ड अ लॉट. इसकी वजह से दे आर लूजिंग देयर अभी एक महीने में लोग डाइटिशियन का कोर्स करके आ जाते हैं. 15 days they give a course program. But what happens is, now they are so much obsessed about only this weight part that real dietetics, what we say, it's missing completely. Completely missing. Now, if I think to consult, some child dietitian to give some good diet for my daughter, I have nobody. I have to read myself to plan for her. For myself, अभी क्या होता है? Bronchial asthma का patient है. Now, a bronchial asthma patient को क्या मिलना चाहिए diet में? What should he take maximum in the diet? A patient of bronchial asthma. Think about COPD का patient. What should be the predominant food? Fuel.
It has to be more of fat.
Fat.
अभी वो बेचारे आते हैं bronchial asthma fat free. एक स्टेटस अस्थमेटिकस में गया वो.
लोग तो बोलते हैं ऑयली मत खाओ.
Because they are using their intercostal so much more energy. So they require more energy. They need fat. Now similarly, a liver failure patient or a liver dysfunction or a jaundice, whatever, they need carbohydrate. It's a very simple concept. But this is missing now. It's completely missing because now they are not. हर एक का सिर्फ वही है per kg body weight. So people are not doing their job. And in any way, obesity management is a combined effort of doctor, lifestyle expert and a dietitian. It's a combined. But everybody wants to work independently. If you see the prescription of the dietitian, let's not put the name above, and you see they all are more or less the same. More or less they are. अब कितना भी नींबू पानी पियो, एक गिलास नींबू पानी में कितनी कैलोरीज होती है?
इतने शुगर डालोगे उसमें?
No sugar. Only नींबू पानी.
There is no fat.
There are calories.
Barely, like hardly.
One is 50 calories, madam.
Yeah, like
50?
50 calories in one glass with one lemon. Complete lemon you take, in that 50 to 75 calories. और बड़ा वाला lemon आया 75 calories. और हम कह देते हैं take as much as you want. पेशेंट दिन में 10 ग्लास नींबू पानी पी रहा है. 750 calories तो
करने के लिए उसमें हनी डाल
But
के
20 grams of carbohydrate.
No carb. Yeah, it has. And I have taken it from the book of dietetics only. I was even surprised क्योंकि यो कितना नींबू पानी पीना? सैलेड भर के खाओ. सैलेड तो रहने वाला है ना? हर एक में रहता है मैडम.
नहीं, कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स बहुत होता है ना सैलेड.
अरे अब सैलेड अब भर के सैलेड खाओ. वो बेचारा वो सुबह पूरा भर के maybe about 250 grams of salad is contains almost about 250 calories, almost about that. 200 कैलोरीज के आसपास.
60 grams of 60 grams.
200 ग्राम्स ऑफ रहता है उसके अंदर. और अगर आप उसको ड्रेसिंग नहीं भी करो और दिन में 4 बार आप वही खा रहे हो
तो भी 1000 कैलोरी होगा.
1000 कैलोरी आ गई आपकी. और आप डाइट कर रहे थे. आप तो डाइट कर रहे थे पहले तो. अब ये और ये तो और भी ज्यादा ग्रेट है सैलेड तो. फिर वो अंदर जाकर के जो वो गैस देता है. So again that gives a weight. Right? Lot of things happen. ठीक है. It's okay. See, whoever gives result is respected. क्या मैडम? Nobody is bothered about your knowledge today. किसी को आप ना तो नॉलेज दिखानी है ना किसी को आपकी नॉलेज से मतलब है. अगर आप वेट लॉस दे रहे हो पेशेंट को तो पब्लिक खुश है. तो आप कैसे दे रहे हो? नींबू पानी पिला के दे रहे हो, जलजीरा पिला के दे रहे हो, भूखा रख के दे रहे हो, अनीमा लगा के दे रहे हो. Patients are happy. We as doctors, our role is that their metabolic problem, the systemic problem should be taken care of. Because this myth is now spreading too much. That if you lose weight, your BP will go. That's wrong. If you lose fat mass, that is important. Your body weight loss does not equate with your fat loss. है ना मैडम? Body weight loss is like a bag. If I lose weight, I will be losing from my fecal matter, I will be losing from my glycogen, from my protein, from my water, urine, everything. It's not that fat will selectively go. ऐसा तो नहीं होगा ना? Everything will go together. So even if I'm losing 5 kg of weight in say 1 week, it's not going to give me any metabolic benefits except for some confidence in me. It's more of a psychological benefit. That's the only thing.